Don't miss this rare corner suite offering stunning views of the Fraser River and the vibrant city skyline. An open plan takes advantage of the expansive windows pouring in natural light through the glass panel railings to the wraparound balcony. The view is enjoyed from the kitchen island with sleek quartz countertops and full-size KitchenAid appliances, including a 5-burner gas stove. Situated on opposite sides of the home, the second bedroom is tucked beside the dining room, and the primary bedroom with floor-to-ceiling subway tiles in the glass-enclosed ensuite shower enjoys the same river and bridge view. The main bathroom, with a soaker tub and shower, is nestled off the entry. Enjoy access to Club Central, a state-of-the-art facility with a steam room, sauna, gym, squash court, yoga and dance studio, along with social spaces for entertaining. Perfectly positioned, a short walk leads to Sapperton Station, shops, and restaurants. This home combines modern living with ultimate convenience. Includes 1 parking stall, 1 storage locker, and is pet-friendly for 2 dogs or cats. A space that is ideal for homeowners and investors alike.